Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Niaga Talk. Full story. That same night in St. Thomas was for a little girl that was surely assaulted and unalived by her cousin while she was on her way to school. The little girl's name was Lachey, and everyone loved her. She would normally leave out before dawn with her friends on a lengthy journey from St. Thomas to Portland to go to school. On the morning of her demise, none out of her friends were going to school, but she decided she was not going to miss her classes. When they found her body later that day, people suspected her cousin because someone saw him and her walking on the road in the early morning, and nobody has seen him since. The community decided to do something called a black and white kumina to bring the guilty to justice. On the night of the same night, the young lady, the same one who danced on the elder grave, saw things that has her scared to this day. She never experienced anything like that before. They called the Duppy of Lachey and commanded her to go for who did it to her. They chop off the head of a goat and threw a white sheet over a drum. They also unalived a chicken by twisting of the head. They pull out the guts of the chicken, and the inner circle ate the insides. They then threw them on the goat and started to play the drum. The headless goat started to dance. It danced until Lachey's cousin came in the crowd, foaming at the mouth. He confessed to unaliving her. He said that he told her that he liked her and wanted to have XXX with her, but she refused, so he'd chop her up and then XXXUALLY assault her. He said that when he was finished, she was calling out for her mother and told him that she was going to talk, so he'd drop a big stone upon her head. He passed away instantly after confessing what he did to her.
Like and follow for more. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.